Alright, we're going to take up the GOOSKY S2 repaired with the tail boom still out of whack, but it's still holding in there. I put this thing in hard. I lost orientation Sunday and I just cut the throttle and man, did it hit hard. It broke the washout arms. I had to order new washout arms and a new head because it broke the screws off in the head. So this is going to be a boring flight just to check it out. Just got it put back together. So everything checked out.
Fly good, don't suck.
This kind of weather right here, I lost orientation not far out from me. Against these trees, it just
Remaining 5 minutes.
Just disappears. So this is just a check my rebuild flight out. See how it just disappears in them trees? It's got a good smooth hover to it.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I'll try that again. Didn't feed enough negative in, I don't guess. This thing in overcast skies disappears to me.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Time remaining 2 minutes.
The bent tail boom doesn't seem to be affecting it. I straightened it out best I could. I've still got a few more, but I'll fly this until I can't fly it no more, as long as it's not affecting it.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I think you can see how crooked it is.
Motor disarmed.
All right, thanks for tuning in. Always please like, subscribe, and share.